This schematic will show you how to install a Damsak for the purpose of rainwater harvesting. As you can see, there's a roof and a gutter, and as the water flows into the gutter and down the downpipe, it enters a large diameter pipe here. And this large diameter pipe is connected at the bottom to the bottom of the Damsak. So as the water comes in here and falls into this pipe, it will go through to the Damsak, and the level inside this pipe will always be the same as the top of the Damsak. So as the water gets more here, it will push down and the Damsak will rise. So the top of the Damsak and the water level in that pipe will always be the same. And as the Damsak gets full, this pipe will also get full. And when this pipe is full, the water will just spill over here, and the Damsak won't receive any more water. This is important because the overflow of the Damsak is just a 75 millimeter opening, so it can only handle a limited amount of water. So if you would have added the whole flow of a few roofs into the Damsak, it will fill faster than what the overflow can handle, and then the Damsak can overfill. So this pipe prevents you from overfilling the Damsak. If you, however, want to connect this pipe directly to the gutters without having this overflow here, you can, but then we have to fit an overflow here with the same diameter as the bottom connector that we use on a Damsak. And anywhere on this pipe, between this riser pipe and the Damsak, you can put a T-junction and connect your pressure pump to that. This Damsak, when it's full, is 1.8 meters high, and therefore this pipe will have to be cut off at 1.8 meters above the base of the Damsak. So not necessarily 1.8 meter long pipe, it's from the base of the Damsak vertically up 1.8 meters is where it should be cut off.